How to use the Transport Angel driver app. To log on to the app, you will need your username, company code and password from your system administrator. After logging onto the app, you will be able to view any trips allocated to you and the stops on those trips. By clicking on the Edit button, you can view the full details of the stop, including contract details and any instructions. You can also call the customer directly or send them a text message from a preset list. You can click on the map to help reach your required destination. Once you've completed your delivery, you can change the status of the stop and confirm receipt by recording the customer name and signature. If you experience an issue with the delivery, you are also able to take photographs or, for example, damage to a pallet or property. Finally, you can sync your app with the Transport Angel system used in your office by clicking the Sync button. The office team will now see the updated information within the Transport Angel system.